We love egg bites for breakfast. They're easy, high in protein, and perfect for meal prep.
So what's the trick?
We're using Skyr instead of cottage cheese. We have nothing against cottage cheese, but we don't love the curdy texture in egg bites.
Yeah, cottage cheese chunks in my eggs? Not for me.
Same. And with Skyr, you get that smooth, creamy texture without having to blend anything.
So less work.
Exactly.
And the macros?
Just 78 calories and 8 grams of protein per egg bite.
Okay, I'm listening.
We're making 6 egg bites, and it all starts with one bowl. We start with 3 large eggs and 100 grams of Skyr or low-fat Greek yogurt.
And then?
Grated cheese, diced deli chicken, spring onions, bell pepper, and spinach. Then we add nutritional yeast, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, parsley, basil, and turmeric.
What's the turmeric for?
Mostly the color. It gives the egg bites that nice golden look.
So turmeric is here for the aesthetics.
Pretty much. Now mix everything together until it's evenly combined. If you want the exact measurements, baking times, or ingredient swaps, we've got the full recipe written out on our blog.
So you don't have to pause the video every 5 seconds.
Exactly. The link is in the description. Next, lightly grease 6 silicone molds with cooking spray.
And this is our juicy macros tip. Use silicone molds.
They make the egg bites much easier to remove after baking. Now divide the mixture evenly between the 6 molds, filling each one about 3/4 full.
And give the mixture a quick stir between portions so the chicken and vegetables stay evenly distributed.
Exactly. Otherwise, the last one gets all the good stuff.
Sounds like the best one to me.
Okay, now they're ready to bake. Air fry them at 160 degrees Celsius for 14 to 16 minutes, or bake them at 180 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes. Let them rest for about 5 minutes before removing them from the molds. And this is what you're looking for: soft, golden, and evenly cooked.
Okay, those look really good.
We like to finish them with some fresh spring onion, and they're ready to eat.
Okay, before we eat these, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe for more high-protein recipes.
And look at that texture.
That actually looks so good.
Soft and tender with plenty of chicken, cheese, and vegetables.
And no cottage cheese chunks.
Exactly.
So now the important question. What would you put in yours?
Bacon? Different cheese? Hot sauce? Maybe some mushrooms?
I'm voting bacon.
Of course you are.
Tell us your favorite combination in the comments.
We might have to try some of your ideas in the next batch. Thanks for watching, and here's another recipe you might want to try.